Hey everyone, welcome back to Tea of the Week. Whether it's allergies, sickness, or just congestion, this herbal blend is here to help alleviate coughs, sore throats, and get you feeling better quicker. Let's explore the 5 natural herbs that go into organic cough relief tea. Marshmallow Root contains mucilage, making it an excellent choice for easing dry or persistent coughs. By forming a protective layer in the throat, Marshmallow Root can also help reduce inflammation and promote faster healing of irritated tissues. Its anti-inflammatory benefits make it particularly effective in calming a cough caused by dry air or allergens. Peppermint's high menthol content works as a natural decongestant, helping to open airways and promote easier breathing. The cooling sensation of menthol can also help to calm an irritated throat, providing quick relief from coughing fits. Peppermint's anti-inflammatory properties work to reduce swelling in the respiratory tract, making it especially useful for those suffering from bronchitis or other upper respiratory conditions. Its expectorant properties make it easier to expel mucus, helping to clear congestion and restore normal breathing. Licorice root contains glycyrrhizin, which has anti-inflammatory and soothing properties, making it ideal for calming an irritated throat and reducing coughing. Licorice root helps to thin mucus, making it easier to expel and clearing congestion from the airways. It also has natural demulcent properties, forming a protective coating over the mucous membranes of the throat and respiratory tract, which helps to reduce irritation and promote healing. In addition to its soothing effects, licorice root has antiviral and antibacterial benefits, which can help address underlying causes of respiratory infections. Slippery elm contains a high amount of mucilage, creating a protective barrier that helps reduce inflammation and calm irritation. This mucilage also helps soothe the mucous membranes throughout the respiratory tract, making it particularly effective for treating dry coughs or sore throats. Slippery elm's anti-inflammatory properties further aid in reducing swelling in the throat and airways, allowing for easier breathing and more comfort during coughing fits. Thyme contains compounds like thymol, which has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it effective in fighting off respiratory infections and reducing inflammation in the airways. Thyme helps to loosen mucus, making it easier to expel and clear congestion from the lungs, which is especially beneficial for those dealing with bronchitis or chest colds. Its antispasmodic properties help to calm coughing fits by relaxing the muscles in the respiratory system, providing relief from persistent or spasmodic coughs. For this week's recipe, we've modified organic cough relief tea for a sweeter floral drink. Let's go through how to make the mint and petals soother. Steep 2 teaspoons of organic cough relief tea leaves with half a teaspoon of organic rose petals and half a teaspoon of organic lavender and 8 to 12 ounces of near boiling filtered water for 5 to 7 minutes. After the tea is steeped, mix in some honey and enjoy. Thank you for joining us for this week's edition of our Tea of the Week series. We hope you enjoyed learning about the outstanding benefits of our organic cough relief tea. We'd love to hear about your experiences with organic cough relief tea or any of our other offerings. Please share your thoughts in the comments or on our socials. Happy steeping!